Hi guy, good morning. My name is Ajay Singh and welcome to Luxury Homes. So guy, today I am going to again show you luxury farmhouse which is available for sale in DLF Chhatarpur location. So guy, this is a road outside the farmhouse. So guy, this is a farmhouse owner already living in the it. So let's go. Let me show you the farm which is available for sale. Let's go. You can see how beautiful road is made outside the farmhouse. So this one is front of the gate in the farmhouse. This one is security guard rooms, and this is a gate. So guys, this farmhouse is still brand new. So let's go inside. This farmhouse is half acre and 2400 square yard. This is a front lawn, and also this side also big lawn. So guys, this is the main door to the farmhouse, and I will show you again front garden. So very greenery area, and this one is living cum dining. So this space is given for lift, and lift is yet to come. So just brand new farmhouse. This is the main door, and this one is entrance. It's the way to the first floor. So let's go. I will show you ground floor first. So this one is entrance, and this is. So guy, I am going to show you its living area is first. So this one is living area, and also AC hot and cool, and all LED lights. So very big area. आप देख सकते हैं कितना बड़ा लिविंग एरिया है, और AC जो है इसका हॉट एंड कूल है. दिस स्पेस फॉर डाइनिंग एरिया. ये डाइनिंग एरिया के लिए स्पेस दिया हुआ है, सेपरेट स्पेस, एंड ऑल्सो AC ऑल्सो हॉट एंड कूल. So guys, now I am going to show you the first bedroom of this farmhouse. This is a first bedroom, this farmhouse. Total 5 bedrooms, also attached bathrooms. Also attached almirah. And this one is bathrooms, modular bathrooms. So guys, again I will show you, and I will tell you again, if you have any requirement, so please let me know anytime. I have so many options available for rent and sale. This is a new farmhouse is being built up right now. This one is powder room, guest toilet also called. So beautiful farmhouse. So let's go. I will see you kitchen. This one is modular kitchen. Very big size kitchen. So guys, it is also given around from the back to go to the garden. So this is the way to go back to the garden, and servant quarter also attached. This one is garden. So let's go. I will show again kitchen. This one is second bedroom. Also attached bathrooms. So guys, currently there is no swimming pool in the farmhouse, but if you someone has a requirement, then they can get the farmhouse. So if you have any requirements, please tell me, friends. Have I show you the ground floor also? What have been made, it go to the first floor. So you can see so beautiful farmhouse. So let's go first floor. Ground floor also 2 bedroom, living, dining, 1 family lounge and kitchen, and 1 guest toilet. And this is a first floor, and this space also is lift. So guys, there is a very large terrace on the first floor. You can see very big terrace. So greenery area, and AC also hot and cool. This one is family lounge also, and so this one is third bedroom. And also attached bathrooms. So guy, everyone's dream is to have their own farmhouse. Then there is a very good chance for them that is a good farmhouse in the low budget. So if you have any requirements, so please tell me. So guys, this farmhouse is only worth in 18 crores. So let's go. So this one is family lounge. This is a family lounge. Also attached bathrooms. This one is 4th bedroom. This farmhouse. So also attached balcony. This farmhouse is absolutely a huge farmhouse. If you want to take someone, then you must contact me. So this is also attached bathrooms. This one is almirah. So I have 2 farmhouse in 1 acre land. If you anyone has requirements for 2 farmhouse, then you can definitely tell me. All modular bathrooms and AC also here. So I will show you. This one is master bedroom. Also attached balcony. This one is master bathrooms. So guys, please take care. I hope you and your family are safe. So just I want to tell you again, if you have any requirement, so please call me anytime. I have so many options available for rent and sale also, all South Delhi. Also I have good apartment also available for rent in all location. So I hope everyone like this farmhouse. So guys, take care and bye. Thanks for watching my video.